Google is working on the next generation of Pixel phones, and so far it has not given any official details on the upcoming devices. But Google usually does a pretty bad job of keeping things a secret. Plenty of details have leaked already. Here's everything we know so far. Google is sticking with the visor design for this generation. The new generation will round off the corners of the display more so than the 7 series. Interestingly, based on leaked renders and measurements, regular Pixel 8 is slightly smaller in size than last year's Pixel 7, whereas Google Pixel 8 Pro is going to be having same size as Pixel 7 Pro. By the way, hands-on photos of an early Pixel 8 Pro prototype confirm the design seen in the renders. There's not a big change in design, only the camera vision are now coming in complete glass with no gap in there. The Pixel 8 display will finally be bumped up to 120 Hz refresh rate after several generations of running at 90 Hz. This doesn't mean that Google is finally going with an LTPO panel for the vanilla flagship, but leaked info suggests that there will be new refresh modes, letting the phone choose between 10, 30, 60 Hz for power saving. The new display will be slightly smaller than before at 6.17, down from 6.3. The resolution will remain at FHD+. On the plus side, Google has apparently chosen a brighter panel this year, 1,400 nits typical brightness, up from 1,000 nits. The changes on the larger Pixel 8 Pro display will be less impactful. It will be basically the same size as on the 2022 model, however, its resolution will be reduced slightly, which will bring down the pixel density from 512p to 490p. That's still higher than the vanilla Pixel, even accounting for its smaller diagonal. The minimum refresh rate will go down to 5 Hz from the 10 Hz minimum on the 7 Pro. This panel should be brighter too. Both models are getting a new sensor for their 50MP main cameras. The ISOC ELO GN2 is replacing the GN1 found in the 7 series. This sensor is larger and has bigger native pixels. Baning down to 12.5 MP, 4:1 gives it an effective pixel size of 2.8 The sensor can go the other way too, outputting 100 MP images since each pixel has 2 photodiodes instead of 1. The GN1 was the same. The main difference here is that the GN2 has an improved AF method called Dual Pixel Pro. The 2 photodiodes on the GN1 split each pixel vertically. The GN2 has a diagonal split instead, so that it can detect phase differences both vertically and horizontally. The Pixel 8 Pro is also getting an upgraded ultra-wide with the Sony IMX787 sensor, 64 MP pixels, and 4:1 binning support. For comparison, the 7 Pro has a tiny 12 MP sensor with 1.25 pixels. As for the vanilla model, that one is sticking with the 12 MP IMX386 of its predecessor. The one upgrade here will be a wider lens, but that will just put extra strain on the low-res sensor. And no, the Pixel 8 is not getting a dedicated zoom camera. The one on the Pixel 8 Pro will remain the same with a 48 MP GM5 sensor and 5x periscope lens. A new 8x8 TOF depth sensor will assist with autofocus. Interestingly, there will be an additional sensor on the Pro, an infrared thermometer, just under the LED flash. In this time and age, being able to measure your body temperature is a useful feature. Finally, there will be nothing new on the selfie cameras. They will just use the 11 MP Samsung 3J1 sensor from last year. The Pixel flagships introduce new Tensor chipsets, which are later on reused for the A series. The Pixel 8 Duo will bring the 3rd Gen custom chip, once again coming from Samsung's foundries, and it be labeled as 4nm. We should see a big jump in performance and especially energy efficiency. One potential upgrade for the small Pixel 8 is the extra RAM, 12GB. According to some rumors, previous generations had 8GB. This will bring it on par with the Pro model. The new Tensor G3 chipset should also support faster UFS 4.0 storage. Not much is known about the batteries at the moment. We think that it's a safe bet that the Pixel 8 Pro battery will remain at the same capacity, 5,000 mAh. But given the smaller dimensions of the Pixel 8, its capacity will probably go down from 4,355 mAh. The Pixel 8 appeared on WPC's site, which lists it as supporting only 12W wireless charging. The Pixel 7 Duo isn't exactly fast, but it can do 20 to 23W wirelessly, so this is a surprise. I guess that the main takeaway here is that the 8 series will not support the new Ki-2 standard. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 had a base price of $600. The Pixel 6 Pro and Pixel 7 Pro were $900 at launch. The 8 series is rumored to have $50 increase in pricing for both models. Overall, both Pixel 8 and 8 Pro are same as last year. Yes, we have a big upgrade in processor, but other than that, it almost same as last year. So guys, what do you think of this? Let us know your thoughts in comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out.